Hi everyone, in front of me I've got T-Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. And I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So in order to reset the camera and the options here and the customizations, we have to go to this section, to the settings in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it. Hello. All right. And right now, let's take a look at this option at the very bottom of this list. So we've got the reset settings. Let's tap on it and tap on reset. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera. So this is the very first evidence that the reset option worked. The same situation with the location tags, because this is the question which your device asks you if you're opening the camera for the very first time. So let me go back. And as you can see, here we've got the camera itself, and it is like the third evidence because we cannot see the grid lines, we cannot see the lines which were applied right here, and it simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So basically that's all. This is how to reset the camera in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.